Own this one-bedroom condo for under $200,000. This is the perfect opportunity for the first-time home buyer or downsizer. Bright living room brings in plenty of natural light and offers an open floor plan to convert space into a dining area. Kitchen boasts new cabinets and is galley style to make cooking easy. Large bedroom, new carpeting throughout, new bathroom vanity, common laundry area. Monthly HOA fees include water, in-ground pool, laundry, tennis courts and more. Settled just off Route 28 minutes to Bridgewater Center, Bridgewater State University, Route 18, numerous restaurants and more. Schedule a showing before it's gone.